Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guests, Eleanor and Alice, have a question for us. How's it going, gals?
Hey, Gina, can you make pigs in a blanket in a toaster oven?
Good question. Let's find out. Woo! Here we have some crescent roll dough and a hot dog. We'll take the hot dog, put it on the crescent roll dough, and roll it up. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Let's cover up with foil. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh my, that's a nice color. What do you guys think? Oh, yes, very brown. Toasted. I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today. Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small foods we can make in our small oven. See you next time!